Welcome to my channel. Now we will see the weekly sales report for the year 2023. From this filter we can change each week. There are 52 weeks from this year, so we can change each weeks here. So for each weeks we can see the each sales representative sales level for each working days, Monday to Friday, each colors indicating the each weekdays and the total from that week for the each sales rep. And we can change each weeks and we can compare between each sales representatives and the weekdays. Quickly we will see how to prepare this dynamic chart. Okay, this is the data set. We will convert this to table. The insert menu, we can convert this my table cascaders, right? Okay, and now we will take the pivot table from this table. From the insert menu we can pick the pivot table, right? The my table range is this one, table 2. We will take the name in the row, the week number in the filter, and the sales in the values. At the same time, the day in the column. Using offset function, select this name and fix the cell, and the row number is 1 and the column number is 0. The height using hound function, height is this one. Let's fix that. Okay, just we will copy this formula and we will paste it here, and we are going to change the column numbers only. Column number is 1 here, 2, okay. Now we will write it down to get the old information. Here we will add 2 more columns, total and bottom line. Here we will take the total using sum function. In the bottom line we will put 0. Now we will select this data and we'll take the cluster column chart. We will add 2 more details using select data. We can add total here, and add the bottom line. Now right click and in the same chart type, compo, here Monday to Friday should be clustered column. If there are changes, we can change it from here. Total should be line, also the bottom line also should be line. We can change them here. Okay, done. Now we will cut this and we'll paste this in the new sheet. Now we will select this total line, and from the chart elements we can select the up down bars. Now we can select this total line, and from the format data series we can apply no line. We will add data labels for this total. Select the data labels, and from label option we can send them above. Okay, make it bold at the moment. Now from here we can select the total series total, and we can reduce the gap around 40 to hide the Monday to Friday column. Now select this total bar. In the fill we can select gradient fill, and in the first top we can choose white color. In the last top we can choose this violet color, whatever the color we want. In the first top for the white color we can change the transparency to 100%. If there are changes we can change it from the direction. Okay, here we want the white and here we want the violet. Okay, Monday to Friday each charts are visible. Okay, now we can remove this total, double click it, and total and bottom line. Now select this bottom line, we can apply no line. Okay, we will select this one, data, and right click. From the change data label option we can apply new label options. We can apply the violet color, font white color, make it bold. We will take the pivot table for this table and take the week numbers in the filter. We will take a slice of selecting this pivot table from the insert menu for the week number. At the moment we'll keep this here. Right click this and report connection. We will connect all pivot tables. Now in this sheet, we can change the week numbers and we can see the whole sales representatives performance week wise. We'll give chart title, sales report. Okay, we'll apply all single grid lines. Primary, major, horizontal, primary, major, vertical, minor vertical and minor horizontal. Now select the primary vertical grid lines and solid line black color 1.5. Okay,